Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out that works best for you business and take control of your inventory today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So let's just dive into zoho.com, square.com, odoo.com, sortly.com, and we have the last one which is bitrix.com. So here we have it. So let's just know each platform and know which one is the best. So the first one, which is zoho.com, this one offers a comprehensive suite of over 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality, with competitive pricing and cloud-based access. Also, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes, plus robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So this is it for Toho. To get started, you have just to click over sign up and you will find this page to create an account. You have to write your email address, your password, then you click over sign up for free, and this is it. Then you get started with Zoho. So this is it how it works with Zoho. Then we have here the second one, which is Square. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Businesses can easily manage costs, plus robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So about the Square, we have just to click over get started and you will find this page. As you can see, you have just to sign up for Square. It's fast and free. No commitments or long-term contracts required. You have to write your email address, your password, locale, and you click over agree to the terms and you click over continue, and then you get started with square.com. So about the pricing, here we have the pricing. So if we scroll down, we'll find it's absolutely for free, still in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees. Only pay when you take a payment. This is about the pricing. Then we have here odoo.com. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with comprehensive suite of application for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable models allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So this is how it works with Odoo. You can just click over try for free and you'll find this page. You have to choose one application here. Free instant access, no credit card required. So then we have here website. You choose if you want website, e-commerce, or learning. We have also sales if you want CRM, sales, invoicing, and we'll have here operations as well. If you want a knowledge product, manufacturing, marketing, and we have human resources, customization. So you choose the platform that you want. So if we come back to the home page and you click over the pricing here, you'll find here it's absolutely for free. As you can see, for one app only, a limited users order online. You can just click over start now and you get started with Odoo. Then we have here sortly.com. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for business with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So to get started, you click over start a free trial and you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to get started using Google as a first option or email address, and you write your name, your email address, and create your password. Then you click over create an account. So this is it. Here we have also seen never lose track of an item again. Simple, fast, and powerful inventory software for businesses and teams to stay organized. You have just to click over sign up with Google and you get started. Then if we come back here and we click over the pricing, it's absolutely for free. As you can see, here we have 100 unique items, one user listens as well. Then we have here Bitrix 24. So Bitrix 24 provides a comprehensive suite of tools combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflow smoother with a flexible pricing model including a free version. It caters to business of all sizes. So to get started, you click over start for free, you write your email address and you confirm that you are now robo, and then you get started with Bitrix 24. So if we come back and we click over the pricing here, we'll find that's for free. As you can see, 100% is for free. Unlimited users, we have 5 GB unlimited, and this is here we have Bitrix 24. So if I had to pick one, so I would to choose Zoho. So would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive suite of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable of business of all sizes. So in Zoho, we have here a unique and powerful software suite to transform the way you work, designed for businesses of all sizes, built by a company that values your privacy. You have just to click over Get Started and you'll find this page. You write your email address, your password, and you click over I agree to your terms and privacy policy, and you sign up for free. So you have also to read the terms and the privacy policy after before getting started. Sorry. So if you scroll down, you'll find here other information. Zoho One, the operating system for businesses. Run your entire business on Zoho with our infiled cloud software, designed to help you break down silos between departments and increase organizational efficiency. So you have just to try Zoho One and you get started. So here we have also Zoho Enterprise. And we have other information. Privacy is our responsibility to core values and principles that drives us, long-term commitment, focus on research and development, customer first philosophy. And we have here ready to do your best. Let's get started. So you have just to sign up and you get started with Zoho as a best platform that I choose. It's just a point for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.